AWS Incident Simulator, Episode 1. RDS Connection Refused. Security Group Misconfiguration Blocks Database Traffic. Let's get into it. PagerDuty Alert. 500 errors spiking. CloudWatch shows RDS connection errors went from 0 to 400 per minute. Let's check the application health endpoint to isolate the component. Database specifically is unhealthy. Not a blanket network issue since Redis and S3 are fine. Testing raw TCP to the RDS writer endpoint. Key signal, refused versus timed out. Active refusal means traffic reaches the ENI, but the security group drops it. Let's pull the RDS instance metadata to get the attached security group. RDS is available, not rebooting. One security group attached. Let's dump all inbound rules on that group and see what's actually permitted. Confirmed. Only SSH exists, no MySQL. This previously had a 3306 rule. Let's check CloudTrail to find who removed it and when. Need to understand if it was a deployment or manual change. CloudTrail confirms it. Terraform CI removed the rule 5 minutes ago. Safe to re-add. Let's get the web tier security group ID. We'll reference it as the source for SG2SG rules. Authorizing inbound TCP 3306 from the web app security group. This propagates immediately, no instance restart needed. Rule is live. Quick sanity check on the NACL, just to confirm there's no explicit deny on 3306 at the subnet level that could interfere. Let's verify end-to-end. TCP connectivity to both writer and reader endpoints, then application health check. TCP flowing. Final confirmation. Application health endpoint and CloudWatch error metric dropping to 0. Incident resolved. RDS connection refused. Fixed in production. Subscribe for weekly AWS troubleshooting. See you next time.